I've wanted a 6 degrees of freedom robot arm for some time. I finally got one, the HIWonder xArm 1S. By using a kit, I can get something working quickly, then see what I need to adapt. It comes with some advanced bus controlled servos, a step up from the 9G servos I've been talking about in the previous video. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, robotics, IoT and other fun tech. This is my 3-minute summary on assembly of the HIWonder xArm 1S. If you have time, why not check out the full video? The xArm 1S is a 6 degrees of freedom robot arm, which is the same as most robot arms really. This means it has 6 access points it can rotate on, and for this product therefore 6 servos. Inside the box we have the mechanical components of the arm, the servos and the claw gripper. The servos are bus servos, so require an adapter board to take a serial or USB command from the host and convert it into command for the servos. Bus servos have the advantage over traditional servos in that we can actually read back the position. We can get feedback. They can also be chained, which is really useful to reduce the number of wires. The instructions for building the robot are a video that runs for about 8 minutes or so. It took me 3 hours to put the robot together, pausing and rewinding the video often. The video was a very clear way of understanding how to build the robot, and I only made a couple of mistakes. You can control the robot through an app, a PlayStation 2 controller and Windows software. I tried the PlayStation 2 controller after completing assembly, but was not impressed by the responsiveness of the robot. I don't have a Windows PC, so I moved to using Chris Coulson's project for the xArm. This gave me code to control the arm in Python or with Arduino. Longer term, I want to do this with the Raspberry Pi Pico. For now though, I use the Python over USB cable. This gave me a much more responsive robot. The kit is easy to assemble. I love the fact the kit has spare bolts and nuts, just in case. The parts are well machined and fit together well. Testing the xArm with the PlayStation 2 controller, I was a bit disappointed. The movement was jerky and did not really feel organically controlled. I was then really relieved to see the capability of the arm when controlled by Chris's Python library. Open source does seem to work best on this project. Now I need to get busy integrating the arm into my Raspberry Pi Pico. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Bye bye for now.